indeed. And you can see in the big map here behind me, we've still got a ways to go with our storm. It's spinning offshore, and if you look really closely, you can actually see a little blip of lightning popping up offshore. There is the center of our storm, and it hasn't really moved much as of late. It is going to slowly lift northward and drift northeastward over the course of the afternoon, so it's going to be a snow wind down of the snow. Let's take a closer look at the radar now together, and you'll be able to see just where we have some heavier bands of snow setting up. And along the coastline, all of a sudden, it is snowing harder again in Boston. You can see that blue color showing up around the city, up through the North Shore, right along the coastline here as you get up toward Gloucester, even up to Newburyport. And these bands of heavier snow do stretch southward about Quincy and stretching down toward Brockton, too. So we're looking at more intense snow right now in some areas than we have seen as of late. Here's a better look at that band on our local live radar. This bright blue coloring here, this is where we've got some good snow right now through the North Shore and stretching back right along 95 headed down toward Providence, Rhode Island. So the snow is not over just yet. Take a look at some of the new numbers that have come in. Littleton now up to 28 inches of snow, and these snow totals, we so appreciate them. It is so hard to measure with all the drifting that we have experienced. Tingsboro 27 inches, Wilmington now closing in on that 2-foot mark at 23, Rentham 19, Plymouth 21 inches of snow at latest check, and the snow reports keep coming in. Shrewsbury 26.2, Lancaster 26, Lunenburg 25, Framingham 1 report of 24. We've had another report of 30. We're trying to verify that report, but again, really hard to measure. In Northbridge now, actually up to 22 inches of snow. So these are some of the wind gusts currently. We're still gusting to 51 in Marshfield, gusting to 60 Hyannis, and still gusting over 60 on Nantucket. And when you think about this, we have been telling you about these wind gusts since last evening. So we are going over 12 hours here with these winds constantly gusting 50, 60 miles per hour. A lot of beach erosion with this storm. And look at the waves offshore. You can see how the storm is lifting northward, and it's still producing some very impressive waves. These are the current wave heights offshore. We're talking about waves of about 29 feet in the waters just offshore. Off the Cape, about 25, 26 feet. So we still have that flood advisory that we are looking for. The next high tide coming up is around 5 o'clock this afternoon. The tide height is 9.5 feet, but the surge on top of that, the waves, we do again have that flood warning up for that high tide. We're going to be keeping a close eye on the coastline from 3 o'clock this afternoon, a couple hours past that high tide. We'll keep you posted. Randy, Emily.